Welcome students, welcome to my channel Streams of Dreams. Today in grade 2 for English grammar I have a topic of pronouns. Now a pronoun is a word used in a place of noun. What are the uses of pronouns? I, we, you, me, us are used both for males and females. He, him, his are used for male persons only. She, her, hers are used for female persons only. It is used for an animal, a place, or a thing. They and them are used for more than one person, animal, place, or thing. Now let's read the following paragraph. Roshni is a good girl. Roshni is gentle. Roshni is well mannered. Roshni respects her parents and teachers. Roshni is honest and truthful. Roshni is intelligent too. Now let's see the second paragraph. Roshni is a good girl. She is gentle. She is well mannered. She respects her parents and teachers. She is honest and truthful. She is intelligent too. So here the sum is the paragraph A sounded odd because of the repetition of the noun Roshni. The name is being repetitively said. In the paragraph B, Roshni is represented by she and her. Thus, she and her are pronouns. Now, let us know more uses of pronouns. I, you, we. Where are they used? My name is Reena. I am a girl. I read in grade 2. I am a Swati. I and Swati are friends. We play games together. We go to school together. You are Mayank. You are my elder brother. I love you and you love me too. So this is I, you, and we. He, she, it, and they. Where are we going to use this? Let's see. This is the family of Mr. Tiwari. He is a teacher. His wife is Mrs. Kanchan. She is a housewife. They have 2 children. Their names are Shikhar and Supriya. Shikhar is a boy. He is 6 years old. Supriya is a girl. She is 3 years old. They have a pet. It is a small dog. So here he, she, they, it. Hope you understand where it has been put properly. Now Lalit is a gardener. He waters the plant. So here he stands for the Lalit gardener. And now Raju is a postman. He delivers letters. So here he stands for Raju the postman. Mrs. Sharma is a teacher. She teaches English. So she represents Mrs. Sharma. Bujo is pet dog. It is brown in color, so it represents the dog. Mohit and Aman are good friends. They help each other in need. They stands for Mohit and Aman. Now take the correct pronoun to complete each sentence. This is my photograph. You. I am in red frock. The farmer work hard. They grow food for us. Sonam is my sister. She's in class 2. Shweta and I are friends. We live in the same building. Aman, come here. You are so late. Don't drink water from this well. It is dirty. The puppy is barking. It is hungry. The Mohit is in the classroom. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns for the boxes to complete the second sentence. Now there's a clue box given. So let's start filling. Aman, Amrita and Reena are playing. They are playing hide and seek. Roshni is talking on her mobile. She is talking to her mother. Mohit, keep quiet. You are making noise in the class. You have a nice pen. It is looking costly. Sandeep and I are classmates. We study together. Now fill in the blanks with a suitable pronoun. Mohit is a good boy. He goes to school every day. Reena is a good girl. She is liked by all. Cow is a domestic animal. It gives us milk. My name is Amit. I am a good boy. Hope you understand the pronouns well. So do like, share and subscribe my channel. And also comment in the comment box how do you like the video.